Hello and welcome to episode 3. I think, yeah, 3. Okay. So, this episode we're going to be going over fixing slash finishing our pause menu. And basically, we're going to get our saving and loading function working. Now, the loading function right now is just going to be like a quick load. And it's going to be kind of save points in the game that act as checkpoints. So you click load, it loads your last checkpoint, just in case you get stuck, which you will be able to, because we're going to have like drops and stuff. Well, I am anyway. Some of the drops will have like spikes in them, and others won't. So, yeah. Let's get started then. So, the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to pick a save name. So you go to add action. Sorry. Let's go back. Pick instance with 28, which is my save button. If we just lock that and open up the P menu. Save button is 28. So that's what we're working on here. Sorry. And we're going to add an action to it. Go to system. And click save. Now we're going to want to pick a save name. You want to put the name of your game in there. So I'm just going to put tutorial 2016 platformer. Obviously, you'd put your game name in there, and then right at the end, you want to put underscore save, because this will save it into the browser's temp files, I believe. I'm not sure what it saves into if you have it on like a executable. I'm guessing it'll just put it into like a file, like a saves file. I'm not sure. Not actually checked that out. But for this tutorial we're working on right now, HTML5. So that's what we're going to worry about. For a mobile, I think it also puts it into the temp files. Maybe not, it might put it inside the files anyway and create a folder for the app. Again, not sure, not checked it out, but that's what I'm guessing. Like I say, worrying about HTML5 right now, and that's where it goes. So the only problem with that is if like the user has something called CCleaner. If they've got that, then it'll clean all the temp files and quite possibly get rid of the save file. But what can you do? That's what the engine saves it to. Yeah. So pick instance with UID29, which is the load function. Believe it or not, we're just going to go to save and load, and we're going to load it from tutorial 2016 platformer underscore save. Now, if you really cannot be bothered typing all that in every time, the way you can go by it is add in a global variable, make it text, call it save underscore name, and the initial value tutorial platformer tutorial 2016 platformer underscore save. Put it in some speech marks. Nope, that is the wrong thing to do. Don't put it in speech marks, it does it automatically for you. And then for these, you just put save name in there and it does it for you. But you can do it either way. I just recommend using the variable, as all you need to do is put save underscore name in there, and you don't have to worry about what you called it. Saved in there anyway. So that being done, we can now put the loading method in. Oops. And because it's a global variable, we can use it anywhere on any event sheet. So that's good. We can go ahead and test this if we go into here and we just add, well, we've got a save button anyway. So let's say we've got, let's just add a sprite in for now. Oops. 32 by 32. Like that. And we'll just add the bullet physics to it. Give it a speed of like 20. So we save that, load it. And of course it just falls to its death. Shouldn't have fell to its death actually. Doesn't have gravity on. Why is that not showing up then? Oh. Make sure you put it on a layer that's seeable. Okay, so as you can see, it is now moving, and if we save, every time we load, it's going to keep on going back to that position. Save again. Wait for it. So as you can see, it's very close to the menu. Save it, and it'll always go back to where it was saved. Now that's not really a big thing at the minute because we don't have a player or anything. But hopefully we're going to change that. So that's our menus over and done with. We can lock the P menu and click this little tick and it'll go away. So we don't need to work on that anymore. And if you ever do, just click the tick menu, unlock it, and you can see it again and edit it again. But we're done for now with that. I'm not sure if we'll go back to it, but whatever. Anyway, so now we're going to be working on our tiles/main. How has it been 8 minutes already? Actually, we'll have a short tutorial. We'll leave it there. We'll go on to our actual main layer next time, adding in the player, etc, etc. So we can go ahead and get rid of that. Oh, actually let's rename everything. So menu underscore, no, P menu underscore BG. Health and UI underscore coin. P menu BG already used. P menu underscore BG underscore BG. You can obviously rename the P menu BG to P menu UI BG. I don't know. Name it whatever you want, but I really can't be bothered naming stuff right now. That's pretty much it. Close standard we can rename to exit underscore P menu. Did we do that? Yeah. Okay. So thanks for watching, and next time we'll be getting on to more fun stuff. The fun stuff. Menus and UI out of the way. Completely done. So thank you, and I will see you then.